Meaning of hacking cough.
Hacking cough.
Hacking cough.
Hacking cough.
Hacking cough. A hacking cough is a severe, persistent cough that produces a loud, harsh sound similar to the sound of clearing one's throat. This type of cough is often caused by an infection in the respiratory system, such as bronchitis or pneumonia. It can also be a symptom of other conditions, including asthma, allergies, or acid reflux disease. A hacking cough can be very uncomfortable and disrupt daily activities, leading to fatigue, difficulty breathing, and sleep disturbances. Treatment often involves addressing the underlying cause and may include medication, rest, and lifestyle changes.